Eyebikulumba bimala biseera. Ezendwadde zimala biseera. Bali Mukama atuusa essuula. N'agimulika bw'ati. N'akuwa essuula empya. N'otambula nga weeyagala mu linnya lya Yesu. Tetuli baakulemererwa.
We are not to fail.
Era wansi w'omutwe ogugamba.
And under the theme that says,
si bwe bigenda okubeera.
They will not be like that.
By'owalaba jjo ne luli ne luli.
What you saw inside
by'okuliddemu embeera yonna.
in the situation you
si bwe bigenda okubeera baana ba ssebo baana ba nnyabo.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mukimanyi nti Yesu ye kitaawe w'abamulekwa.
did you know that Jesus is the father of the widows and the mother of those who don't have? So, my friends, never be worried. For me, I agree with my mother. I did not see my father. But Jesus told us. Before we walked in I went in. But my father was an Anglican. But we entered Catholics. Maybe 70 days. But most of the denominations we reached there. But God knew us. I was the last and I am. I was with my mother. Other people hated me. My brothers. But my mother. There is someone who is
asinga bamama bonna okunsi asinga bataata bonna okunsi bwebiri si bwe bigenda okubeera mwabiraba bwoti ng'olaba oli mu kazigo olinga anyigiriziddwa ng'olaba bakusuza olaba Mukama lwakulagira n'ogamba bannange ye nakoze eki bwatuuka n'okankana bassebo ne bannyabo si bwe bigenda okubeera.
They shall not be like that.
Endwadde ziyinza okwesiba
Sicknesses may attack.
Abaana bayinza okuba babagoba buli nnaku bwe basiba mu kkubo bassebo ne bannyabo si bwe bigenda okubeera.
They shall not be like that.
Yusufu yalina ekirooto.
Joseph had a dream.
But
to reach that
dream,
even the father could ask him, are you going really to reign us? James loved Joseph. But he did not believe that he would rule him. He did not believe that he would rule the mother. They also ask themselves, are we all going to live before? Even your brothers. Praise God. But ladies and gentlemen, there is God who changes everything. Where they are, they are not people. You may not be you as they are, they shall not be like that. We are all rude, maybe. Praise God. Now they are going to prepare you. So you may enter never weak in we shall preach the nations. They shall hear us. They shall listen to TVs. As the Ddembe Christian Center, we are just praying. You did not understand. There are people who always converse and they tell you that you are to them. Let them speak. As we know where we are and we know where we are going. Amidst praying and fasting, you shall not fast. They shall not be like that. Sickness is going to end. You shall testify that you have the real testimony. shame on me. You did not understand. You will understand tomorrow. I used to declare my wedding. I used to pray, but I didn't know how they would be. And I wondered, how are they going to be performed? In the house of my father, no one has ever wedded. Even my mother did not see her being introduced. I did not see my father. My brothers, they have their citizenship.